What is your value proposition as a real estate agent? Okay, do you even have one? So if somebody says to you, why should I even consider doing business with you? Do you have the right answer to that? Because every fearless agent knows the answer to that. If the investor says to you, why should I even think of doing business with you? If a buyer says, why should I even consider using you? If the seller says, why should I even consider using you instead of any other agent? Do you have the exact right words to say in every one of those situations? Because at Fearless Agent, that's what we teach you. That's your product. Your value proposition is the product you sell. Then you crush the competitors after they know why they would do business with you. Then you crush the competitors. Then you resell them on you. And then you go to the next question, which might be when is the soonest, realistically, something like moving day would ever be. But never being stumped, never knowing, there's, in every real estate sales situation, when they say this, there's one fearless agent answer. I'm not the coach who says, well, you could say this or you could say that. No, that's bad coaching. There's one best thing to say in every sales situation you will ever find yourself in real estate. You learn that once and for all, and then you go on to something else which would be more advanced. So get the basics done first. So if you ever would like to do a complimentary coaching call with me, call me at 480-385-8810, and we'll chat and see if what we do might be a good fit for you. If it is, you'll get rich. If it's not a good fit for you, we'll admit that. And there's maybe other ways I can help you. Go to fearlessagent.com and go in the banner across the top on the right-hand side and click on the webinar, watch that, then give me a call, and let's see if we can make you a fearless agent. Thanks.